Hello guys, my name is Amokwanes. I'm the founder of Erader Digitals and Erader Hosts. Today we are going to continue with the tutorials. Now, the last video we learned about how to add the more content, how to import the more content to the various pages. Okay, yes, and I think you have done that because through that video I taught you how you can import the home page and about page. And I told you to do the rest. So by now, I hope you have already done it. Okay, good. If you have done that, then give me proof for that. Thank you. You have done well. Now, let us continue. So this time, there's other pages that we did not work on that. Now, let me take you to this the sample site. Okay, so we are here and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Now, looking at this website, let's go to the news and let's look at the layout over there. Okay, as you can see, everything look nice, is very nice here. Okay, so we have to do that. And also when you open a single post, you see the layout too is very nice and neat. Okay, you see is very nice, and we have related posts here. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, good. Though that one is part of the template, so I'm going to show you how you can import that part. So first of all, let's come back here and then let's go down here, locate, make sure that you have already installed this one, Pro Element. Okay, Pro Element. If you have not done that, just copy just enter here Pro Element. Okay, good. When you enter that, it will take you to their official website. This is the official website, Pro Element. Come here and download it. Okay, very simple. This one, just download it and install it. Okay, then you'll get that plugin. Okay, good. So let's come back here. Without that plugin, you can do what we are going to do now. So come to template here and then make sure you select Team Builder. Click on that. Okay, so with this plugin you have access to all the Elementor Pro features. It is only it's just that for Elementor Pro template you cannot import it with this plugin, but all the features that Elementor Pro can access, you can use this plugin. Okay, so let's move on. So I will come to a single post here and click on that. Okay, and I think, I don't know, somewhere I think I have it here already. Okay, I have it here already, but in case you don't have that, let me delete it first. Okay, I think in the course of let me delete it from here. Okay, I don't have that, and let me go to single post and delete it too from here. Okay, so I have deleted it. So let's come back to single post. Come and click on this add new icon here. Oh, let me click again. Okay, good. So we are here and let's wait. Okay, so this is a single post. Okay, right now if you try to import this template, it won't work for you. To be honest, it will not work. So don't even try it at all. So I will just close this. Okay, so we are at a single post. Okay, let me see, let me confirm that by checking here. As you can see, single post. Okay, good. So let's click here, and then after that let's go to template here, and you will see a single post. We're supposed to see post here, post template. Okay, I think, yeah, mistakenly I've deleted it. Okay, so right now I have to import it again. It was already because in the course of importing it, that's why I saw it over there. So I have made a mistake by deleting it. So I will just click here and import it back again. I can just click here and locate the folder. So I will come here and locate, let me see, I think the folder is here, this one. Okay, so this post, that is a single post. Okay, this is a single post, so I will drag it and drop it here. Okay, good. So right now I can just go ahead and insert that and apply. Okay, so because we don't have any post, that's why it's not looking good at all, because we don't have any post. The only post that we have on this platform is Hello World. That's why the title is Hello World. So don't delete it, just leave it as it is, and you can just click publish and it will ask for the condition. Just add the condition. So we will select all posts, okay, all single posts. Let's go to post. Let's see, we have, okay, so we have good ops, okay, so front page post, okay, category, okay, so let's take post is okay, and then you click save and close. Okay, so successfully. Now we can now go back here. Let's go back. So we are done with that part. So we are done with that, and then let's look at single post, post archive. So come here, come to archive here, click add new. Okay, I can still click here again, and then we have to import it again. So I will select this and drop it here. No. First I have to click here, okay, before I can just drag it from here and drop it. Good, it has been added. So we have Elementor archive. So I can just click here and apply. Okay, so don't delete anything, just leave it. Everything is fine, just save it from here. Click here, all archives, okay, all posts. I think I will go for post or post archive. So, and click save to save that. Okay, so we are done with that. Okay, there's one page that we did not add, that is gallery. Okay, so we can also add that. So you know how to go about it. Create post, create page, edit page, then import the gallery. Simple as that. I'm not going to walk you through that steps. Okay, fine. So we are done importing all the posts, or sorry, all the template. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, so we are at our dashboard now. So for now, what I can say is thank you for watching. Our next video we will look at how to edit the home page.